behalf of the organizing committee of the third conference on electrophysical and chemical machining, most known as ISEM, I would like to invite you to the 19th edition of this conference, which will take part in Bilbao from the 23rd to the 27th of April 2018.
In the conference, companies and researchers will be able to share the last advances in manufacturing technologies such as EDM, ISEM, additive manufacturing, laser technologies, with a total of 150 papers that will be presented from 16 countries all around the world. I would like to invite all of you to join us and update in these technologies and their applications in sectors such as automation, aeronautics, machine tool and manufacturing. Welcome to Bilbao ISEM 2018.